he and Kuka, my mother, had chosen this country as the better of the two to raise us in, and that we owed allegiance to this country, and it was our country, and he wanted us to recognize it right now, because your country is at war, and they may call you, and you are not Mexican. You're not Mexican citizens. You don't owe allegiance to Mexico. You owe it to the United States, and I would expect you to answer the call. If you die from it, I want no cowards in my family, and you're going to obey, and you're going to do this. And none of us had any quarrel with that, because he we knew that's the way he felt. He didn't even have to tell us. We're all Americans, and that the United States of America, if it's going to fail, not going to fail from without. Nobody will ever defeat this country from without, but we might defeat ourselves from within if we don't learn how to live with each other. I'm 81 years old, and I'm very worried about it. We haven't stopped it. We've made a lot of strides, but it's there, and I want it heard. I want it in my memories. I want everybody to know that at 81, I still worry an awful lot of what will happen to this country if we don't recognize how to get along with each other.